Hi everyone, this Sunday we are going to have a very interesting webinar. Before I tell you what is it about, let me ask you a few questions. Tomorrow is New Year Day. Many of us will take a lot of resolutions. I will spend more time with my family, I will reduce my weight, I will avoid junk food, I will spend less time with smartphone and television, I will do jogging, I will take care of my health. Just recall the previous year's resolutions and past year's resolutions. What happened to all of them? How are you going to sustain your intentions and ambitions? In my personal counselings, people come and ask me, sir, I am not able to quit smoking. People come and discuss with me, they are obese and they have become compulsive eaters, how to change their eating habits. In my counseling of parents come and ask me, how do I make my child to do the homework regularly? How do I make my child to avoid junk food, switch off the television? Right? Parents come and ask me, sir, how do I get my child into a good habit and avoid a bad habit? Leave alone all that. The last few years, we are used to this. Look at the compulsions, look at the restrictions and look at the force people have to use to make us to do just this. Is it that difficult to mask? Why is that we are not doing? The answer to that is we are not programmed to behave like this. Wearing a mask is just a behavior. But every time when you go out, wearing a mask is a habit. Habit is different, behavior is different. Doing homework on one day is a behavior. Doing it every day is a habit. Jogging one day is a behavior, is an activity. But sustaining and consistently doing it is a habit. So we need to understand what is a habit and what is a behavior and what happens before a behavior manifests outside us. What is an attitude? So this Sunday webinar is going to be on a very interesting topic called Neuro-Linguistic Programming, shortly called NLP. Me and my wife Radha have been undergoing NLP training from 1997 from NLP Comprehensive, Colorado, United States. And we have gone as coach for the master's students. We are going to discuss what is NLP and how NLP could be used to transform ourselves internally. Neuro is brain. Linguistic is the way we use language, and programming is taken from a computer science. A computer is programmed to produce a result for a given input and there is a process. So there is an input, there is a process, there is an output. The basic principle of NLP is similar to that. Our mind, our brain have to be integrated. Our brain is a hardware, it is like a computer. But we should put the input to our mind and the mind will process and send signal to the brain and the brain will send signals and we wear a mask, we do homework, we do jogging, we do this, we do that. So this is what we are going to do, not only this webinar but couple of weeks I am going to continue a series of webinars only on NLP, maybe at 5-6 episodes I will do. So looking forward to meeting all of you how to use neuro-linguistic programming to transform ourselves, to become consistent, to become regular, to habits. How are we going to get rid of phobia? How are we going to get rid of bad habits, negative thoughts? How are we going to empower ourselves to reach our goals? How are you going to build a career? How are you going to communicate others? How are you going to understand others? How are you going to improve our interpersonal relationship? All this will be answered in this series of webinars. Looking forward to meeting all of you on this Sunday, the 2nd January 2022, on a very interesting subject, Basics of NLP. In the description box below, I give the link for the Zoom meeting. Please register, it's free. Please join the WhatsApp group so that you get our updates. See you this Sunday. Wishing you all the very best in the year and years to come. Let bad memories of 2021 be gone forever and forever and forever. All the best for the new year. See you on this Sunday.